Hey everyone, in this video we're going to walk through how to enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 for Battlefield 6. These two settings are often required for the game to run properly, and if you've seen the dreaded Secure Boot error message, don't worry, it's easy to fix. Let's start with checking if Secure Boot is already enabled. First, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This will open the run window. In that box, type MS-Info32 and hit enter. That will open the system information window. Now look for a line that says Secure Boot State. If it says on, then you're good. Secure Boot is already enabled. If it says off, then we'll need to turn it on manually. Here's how to enable Secure Boot. These steps are shown on a Gigabyte Aorus board, but they're almost identical on other brands. You might just see slightly different names for the options. Restart your PC, and as soon as it starts to boot, press F2 or delete repeatedly until the BIOS menu appears. Once you're in the BIOS, switch to Advanced Mode, usually by pressing F2 or clicking the Advanced Mode button. Now go to the Boot tab. Find the option called Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Sometimes it might show as enabled but not active. Don't worry, that will fix itself after the next restart. Now restart your PC again, open the run window, type MS-Info32 once more, and check the Secure Boot state. It should now say on. Next, let's move on to TPM 2.0, which is another requirement for Battlefield 6. To check if TPM 2.0 is already enabled, press Windows key plus R again to open the run window. Type tpm.msc and hit enter. This will open the TPM management window. If it says the TPM is ready for use under the status section, that means TPM 2.0 is already enabled. If you don't see that, then TPM 2.0 is not active and we'll need to enable it in the BIOS. Restart your PC again and press F2 or delete as it's starting up to open the BIOS. Once inside, look for the setting. Depending on your motherboard, it can be under Advanced, Security, or Trusted Computing. The option might have different names such as Security Device, Security Device Support, TPM State, AMD fTPM Switch, Intel PTT, or Platform Trust Technology. Whatever name it has, just make sure that setting is enabled. Once you've done that, save your changes and restart your PC. Then open the run window again and type tpm.msc and check that it now says the TPM is ready for use. If your computer doesn't have TPM 2.0, unfortunately this isn't something you can install or download. You'll need a newer motherboard or system that supports it. After enabling both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, you should be ready to play Battlefield 6. If you're still running into problems, you may also need to enable VBS and Memory Integrity (HVCI) in Windows settings. And that's it. Secure Boot, TPM 2.0, and Memory Integrity are now all enabled, and your PC is fully ready for Battlefield 6. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other setup guides for more gaming tips.